Hi guys, got a minute? Today we're making a quick and easy one-pot pasta and fagioli recipe, which translates to pasta and beans. We're going to add 1 chopped onion, about half a cup of chopped celery, 2 or 3 spoons of extra virgin olive oil, half a jar to a jar of tomato sauce, however much you like. I'm going to start with half and see what it looks like. I added about 3/4 of the jar, but you can add as much or as little as you like. We're adding about a teaspoon of sea salt. We'll taste it later to see, salt it to your taste. Let it simmer for about 15 minutes. I'm adding about a half a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes. I'm using spelt pasta, which I like using because it's a whole grain, but you can use any kind of pasta you like, and I'm using these little tubes. They're called Hearty. I've added the pasta, and I'm going to let it cook for about 10 minutes. You will want to stir it because you do not want it to stick. So stir it periodically so it does not stick at the bottom. And turn down your heat just so that it's simmering. In the meantime, I've drained my Romano beans, which I like using, but you can use any type of beans you like. You can use the white kidney beans, they work too. So I've drained them and rinsed them, and we're gonna add this last into the pasta and then let it cook for another 5 minutes so that they do not get all mushy. The pasta is almost done, so we're going to add in our beans now. Let it cook for just a little bit longer. Okay, the pasta's cooked for another 5 minutes. I've added a bit more hot pepper flakes and a little bit more salt, so it's to my liking. And we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. And there you go. Bon appetit.